Good morning, students. Today we will see in our class fractions chapter, conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. When you are given an improper fraction, how to convert into a mixed fraction. Last time we have seen how to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction using the formula w multiplied by numerator plus the denominator upon d. Okay. Now we will see how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. Improper fractions are again those fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so let us start with one example. Let's take one example. 8 upon 3. You are given an improper fraction and you need to convert into a mixed fraction. So what am I supposed to do? We are supposed to get a mixed fraction. How? Using division method. Okay, so I will write a division sign, put the numerator as the dividend inside the division sign, and the denominator d you need to put it as a divisor 3. Okay, what is our aim? From numerator to denominator we need to get into a whole number, numerator and denominator, that is a mixed fraction. Okay, let's start. We have to check 3 times table and divide 8. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Which one will go? 3 twos are 6 is better because 3 threes are 9. 9 is greater than 8. Something which is less than 8 because 8 is not there in the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Okay, and put the subtraction sign upon 8 minus 6 gives you 2. Now, this one is called the remainder in division. This is the dividend, this is the quotient, and this is the divisor. Okay. Now, let's mark which will be our new numerator. The denominator remains the same, and which one will be the whole number for our mixed fraction. So, this one we know, this is d, that is the denominator. After subtracting what you get, the remainder is the new numerator, something which is remaining. So remaining comes in the part of fraction. Something is already divided. What is that? This one, the quotient, becomes the whole number. Okay, so let's put it down in this form. Whole number is 2. This is the way we write the whole number for mixed fraction. In between the line, numerator is 2 on top upon d, that is the denominator, 3. So this is a mixed fraction. How will I read this fraction? 2 upon 3, or 2 divided by 3, or 2/3. Okay. Let's take another example. We have taken 15 divided by 2. This is a improper fraction. First check whether it is a improper fraction, and the question says we have to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, we are going to use a division method. So let's put the division sign first. The numerator 15 will become the dividend. The denominator 2 will come as the divisor. Okay, so 2, we have to check the table of 2 to divide 15. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. 15 is not there, so we take a lesser number, that is 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 2 sevens are gives me 14. When the division is there, we need to use a subtraction sign, okay, to get the remainder. 5 minus 4 gives you 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is considered as 1 or 0, 1. Okay, 0 doesn't have any value if it is in front of the number. Only if this 0 was behind, then it would have been 10. Otherwise, this is the remainder is only 1. Let's mark the parts of this for the mixed fraction. This is our denominator, which remains the same like the first fraction in the question. Okay, this one becomes the whole number because it is fully divided. What is remaining, it becomes the new numerator. Let's put down our fraction. Numerator is 1, or you can put the whole number first also, no problem. Denominator is 2. We have half here and the whole number 7 which comes in between. So let's try to read this fraction, mixed fraction. 7 and half. Okay, 7 1 upon 2, 7 1 divided by 2, or 7 and half. Okay, this is how we convert improper fractions to mixed fraction. That's it for today. Thank you, students.